All right. So now what you're gonna do it to your meter?
Yes, sir. Mode or select?
Select.
Select.
Okay.
Multimeter.
And turn your light on. See that little light bulb right here?
Okay.
So you can see. Okay.
Oh, perfect.
All right. Now put it. All right. So what you getting?
1942.
Okay.
And the other one was at 18.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture. See that? That's 19 microfarads. Like so you got to know what that 19 mean. You can say 19, but what does that mean?
What does it mean? Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do on this one. Bring the unit back over here. And just, okay, now hook it back up. So that's 5/16 right there.
Yeah, 1/4.
So go ahead and hook that up so we can get to it. Okay. All right, so you got 18 on this one. So like I said, the 18 don't tell us nothing unless we know what it's rated for. So, just bag it up. You ain't gotta take it all the way out. Just bag it up a little bit. Bag it up. Okay, get to that other one. That's good. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bag it up. All right. Yeah, you can take that one all the way out. Now see if you can get that all the way. Leave that. Well, you can, it's okay. Take that capacitor out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pull it all the way out. Okay, so you see it says 20.
20. So it has to be at 20.
So
it was at 18.
Give us a plus or minus 5%. So get your calculator. Put 20 in minus 5% equals anything lower than 19. But how I do it though, remember we had 18 point something on here? It's okay.
You can run it up.
I always do 10%.
10%.
So start over, do 20 minus 10%. So anything lower than 18,
it's bad.
it ain't necessarily bad, but
You
the
gotta-
manufacturer recommend that
help
you
them.
replace it. So
Okay.
we'll let the homeowner know.
No. Okay.
But since this one you had 18.6, it's still good.
It's still good for now.
But, yeah.
It's gonna move out.
But if it was like 15, 16, or
Gotta
17,
replace it.
we'll let them know. It's up to them.
Okay.
Okay. Good job.
The way to go.
On these single capacitors, it don't matter where to go. Because these are two brown, both of them the same color.
Yeah.
Both of them brown.
Okay.
So you put it on.
outside, you gotta.
You got to
put
make
them on
sure.
there.
Yeah. Okay. All right. All these. Remember that control board you were looking at in the book?
Yeah.
It's the
There
same
is the light
thing.
over
Yeah,
here.
that's that light right there that you were looking at in the book. But this field, when you're doing the maintenance, just make sure all the connection tight. So all you're doing is just kind of pressing everything in with your hand.
Yes,
Just
sir.
make sure ain't nothing loose.
Okay.
Yeah. And then right there, go ahead and hook your capacitor back up. Remember I was saying, as far as time-wise, we know these two units basically the same, so there's no reason taking this one all the way back out, because you know both of them are rated for 20 microfarads. Okay, so check your control board for any loose connections. Good to go. We can button it up. Check your voltage. Just make sure you ain't got no voltage. Okay. And then you go to your incoming power.
Yeah. The condenser.
What you got?
Got 0.
You know why you got 0, right? Because remember you got to take your leads off. You still got the terminals hooked up.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Your wires.
I got you.
They ain't gonna read correctly if you still got wires.
If they're still plugged in, they're not gonna read it.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now check it. See what you got.
Okay, compressor. 53.
53?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take a picture. Remember we got to document. Nuh-uh. Make sure you reading some. So right now you got 0, so make sure they on there good.
There it is.
Okay.
58.
See your
Now I'm
fan.
gonna check the fan.
Got 5. Okay.
3.
Now put your terminals back on and bag out that 5/16 screw and see what that capacitor is rated for. The 58 seems kind of high. But
So I plug it in or
yeah,
I just
go
take
ahead.
it out?
Go ahead and plug them back in.
Okay.
Now that 5/16 screw, bag it out. Don't take it all the way out. Just twist it around. Okay, you can twist it around without taking it out. What you rated for, and take a picture of what you rated for.
55 plus 5.
Okay, 50. So that one probably still good then. Since this one over here 40, I ain't know that one gonna be that big. Yeah, so that subcooling is going down.
Yeah.
But we really want like a 10-degree subcooling. That's how you know it's charged correctly.
So whenever it's a 10, that's when it's charged correctly.
Yes.
I got you.
See, it's going down, but the coils, you can see the coils need to be clean.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, when they clean them up, you should have a good charge on that.
Yes, sir.
So we're looking good. So take a look at this one, pull this one out. And you see what it's rated for, 45 by 5.
Yeah.
And take a picture of that for company cam. And you can take a picture for yourself, because you see this one gonna be different. On this fan, it said fan, it got 2.
You got 2.
Remember that other one had 1.
Herm 3.
Herm.
And then cone 4.
And say Herm, what Herm mean? Herm means hermetic compressor.
Yeah.
That's a hermetic compressor right there. You're gonna see your different types of compressor. It says C. C can mean common or contactor. You know your wire is going from to this right here. Your contactor to the capacitor.
Common.
Yeah.
Compressor. And
Capacitors, set your meter to microfarads. Okay. Now, I want you to check it outside the unit. Yep, that's your common. And what you checking first? Checking compressor first.
And compressor is 45.
That's perfect, right?
Yes,
so what
sir.
we rated for? Let me know what we rated for.
45 plus 5.
45 plus 5. What's this 45 for?
The contactor.
45 for the compressor.
So compressor.
You're going to all be the bigger number. And then what the 5 for?
So this the contactor?
This is the capacitor,
Okay.
not the contactor.
No, capacitor first.
For what? What you checking?
The capacitor, no?
Remember checking the fan, right? Now this 45 and this 5. So you got to know this.
Oh yeah, 45 compressor and
fan.
5
This
is
is a fan right here.
I got you. Yes, sir.
Because if you had a 2 or 3, the fan won't start. You know what you're saying? Like a battery give it a boost?
Yeah.
Same thing.
I got
Common.
So Herm.
Herm.
45 is for Herm.
Okay.
And the 5 is for fan.
Okay, so what you
And I
got,
got
45? Now let me know what you got on your fan.
And the fan I have 45.28.
You got 5.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so that's good, right?
Yes, sir.
45.5. And that one bad, so we're gonna change it up. All right, good job. Terminals all good and tight.
Yes, sir.
All right, now let's check this one again on the outside, so you can see exactly how it look on the outside. That was a 40 by 5. Now we're getting 33. Let's check it again. Okay.
Checking the corner. Checking the herm.
Okay, what you got? 33.
33, 43.
That was bad.
Yes, sir.
All
We're
right.
checking fan.
You good? You got 5.
5.
Sometimes the field piece, some meters quicker than others. Sometimes the field needs to take a second.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Nice and slow. That's it.